Oh my god, it's on fire. What is up, guys? Today we are going to be continuing with peeling off the wrap off the BRZ, and I say continuing because we already did this side's quarter panel about 2 days ago. So by the end of today, the car should be back to blue and the white fenders. So you guys already know about the whole situation. I got the worst wrap ever. I got my car wrapped in the color I always wanted to get it wrapped in, but the shop that wrapped it did a terrible job the first time. The same shop rewrapped my car, and the second time it came out a lot better, but there were still a lot of flaws. After having the wrap for about 3 weeks, I started noticing every little flaw. There was a lot of ripping, there was a lot of bubbling, there was a lot of peeling, and you saw so much blue. And after I posted the video about me having the worst wrap ever, I got contacted by a bunch of wrap shops. One of the wrap shops that I was actually recommended is Unusual Designs, and I'm gonna be dropping off the BRZ to him later today. So today we kind of have to finish peeling off the wrap. You guys probably also saw the black car behind me, and we'll get to that a little later in the video. Now, before I started peeling off all the wrap on the car, 2 days ago, I recorded everything that was wrong with it that I saw, like bubbles, peeling, and ripping. All right, so we'll start with the front, with the front bumper. First of all, there was always bubbles here, and these bubbles weren't here the day I picked the wrap up. This happened like about a week after, and then one of the bubbles actually popped, and yeah, you can see blue. Also, I had them do black accents around the lights, and not only is it poorly cut, it's kind of just going over where it shouldn't, and you can see part of the blue right over there. Coming to the bottom of the bumper, I know it's a little hard to see, but you can tell that the wrap was just like layered on really bad. It honestly looks like it was somebody's first time wrapping a car and they just gave it a shot. The bad layering actually goes across the entire bumper. You can see that it was layered pretty badly over there as well, and that runs across the entire bumper. Now, for those of you who know a little bit about wrapping, generally when you wrap a car, you like to tuck stuff in. You like to make it look like paint as much as possible. These guys, they half-assed everything, and they didn't even care to take off the badge. You can literally see blue all around the badge. What the actual fuck? This is single-handedly the laziest job I have ever seen. Not to mention there's also bumps all across the front bumper. The fender for the most part was okay until you come down over here. Honestly, it's one thing if you layer it bad, but at least just make the line straight. Holy shit, man. Holy shit, dude. This looks almost as bad as Jay's WRX. I'm not gonna lie, the driver door was not bad at all, but I didn't get the door jambs done, but generally when I've seen people wrap a car, they tend to do this just so you can't see it once you shut the door. But it's really hard to pick up on camera, but you can clearly see blue between the door and the quarter panel. There you go. You can just clearly see blue. It's not hard at all, and honestly, it looks really bad. I also forgot to mention this thing. This is supposed to be behind the bumper. The only reason why I have it out of its spot is to cover this up. This is so half-assed. Holy crap. Between the bumper and the quarter panel, it's a little hard to see, but you can actually see the blue. Now, what you're supposed to do is take off the bumper just a little bit and tuck it in. What they did is just kind of put wrap on and cut it right at the middle. Nothing is tucked, so it looks so trash. We have some more bubbles down here, and on the other side, you can actually start to see blue. On the other side, same thing. You can clearly tell it was just cut, not tucked, and you can see some blue. Now, this corn sticker, I know a lot of people think that they messed up the gas cap, but this is just a corn sticker. A lot of people think it's messed up. This is the best way to tell people you're running on E85 without telling people you run on E85. It's really hard to see through the camera, but it's starting to bubble up between the trunk and the quarter panel. Again, you can see some blue because it's ripped. Just a really careless job. Damn. They did such a great job. The door handle on this side is a little bit more messed up. You can tell that it was done in like 3 pieces, and there's still some bubbles. Other than that, the door is pretty much okay. Same thing with this fender. You can tell that it was cut. This one is a little bit more straight and a little bit more hidden, but you can still kind of see it. You could just kind of see all throughout this whole line. It's like, I don't know. I just don't know. I'm not gonna lie, I still am kind of scared dropping off my car to a wrap shop, because last time I dropped it off to a wrap shop, I got my car after 2 weeks. I really hope that doesn't happen again. It's starting to rain a little bit, so we're gonna pull the BRZ into the garage and we're gonna take the rotary out. So we got the BRZ into the garage, the rotary is outside, and we'll discuss that whole thing in a little bit. But before I take off the wrap completely, what I want to do is I want to leave this side green and I want to make this side blue. So I'm just gonna like cut a line right through the middle of like everything. So it's just like 2 different colors. And after we cut it in half, we're gonna go out and do some donuts because it's raining right now and I'm not gonna have my car for the next 5 days or so. And I think it's only right to let out all my urges.
One step is all it takes to get us moving anywhere. And now that we are on our way, I need to say what used to keep us back were just excuses made.
Huge shout out to the guys at Wrap Mogul for doing a really shitty job and not tucking in the wrap. It's making it super easy to take off. It's making it super easy to take off, but then again, if they didn't do a shitty job, then we wouldn't have to take this off. Okay, so I never noticed this until now, but they held the wrap down with Scotch tape. What the heck? What? It's literally held with Scotch tape. I don't know if that's normal. Like, this is the first wrap I've ever gotten. So someone let me know if it's normal for wrap installers to use Scotch tape to hold down their freaking wraps, but I don't know, I just found that hilarious. So while I was unwrapping the car, I realized that I didn't really explain to you guys why I'm unwrapping the car. I already told you guys that Wrap Mogul did an awful job, but now I'm taking it to Unusual Designs and he is literally going to be rewrapping it the same exact color. I absolutely love this color, so I'm gonna keep it for a little longer. But this time it's gonna be done right. All the edges and the corners, everything's gonna come out super nice, and we're gonna be adding a lot more black accents. Bros, when I tell you that we aren't even halfway done with this build, like, look, we have boxes right here, we have boxes up there, we have a box up there, and we're still waiting for more boxes to come in. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, definitely consider subscribing because this is going to be one crazy ass build. So yeah, this is what I was talking about when I said like cutting it halfway, and I know the cuts are pretty jank, but honestly, you're not even gonna be able to tell from far away, but I gotta do the same thing to the bottom of the bumper, the hood, roof, not the trunk, but the back bumper, and yeah, this is taking a lot more time than I was expecting. Don't mind this all scratched up. We're gonna take this off and repaint it while the car is getting rewrapped. But what I'm doing is I'm just taking like a normal torch and just heating up a little bit of the area, letting it sit, and just pulling the wrap off very, very slow. Now I can do it without using a lighter, but I just, see that's what happens. It just rips and it just makes it a little bit harder. Oh my god, it's on fire. Damn, the blue is looking nice. So I was on Instagram and I came across this picture and I couldn't help to notice, but it looks very similar to my picture. What the heck? That's awesome, dude. Yeah, he did have a Lamborghini, but I still like mine better.
A few moments later.
Okay, so a little update. We went to 2 different spots to do some donuts. The first spot we went to, like a dumbass, I left my traction control on and the car just wasn't losing traction, and then the spot got a little hot boy, so I left right away. So we went to a second spot. I did turn off my traction control. We were sliding a little bit, but it was kind of hard to slide. I guess my tires are a little too grippy, or I don't know, because I am running camber, so it should be less grip. Honestly, I have no idea. It just wasn't sliding easily, so I said screw it. Now we're taking a thumbnail before it gets too dark. Then we're gonna go home and peel off the rest of the wrap so we can go drop it off to the wrap shop. Damn, dude, that's a crazy military green car. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? It's World Rally Blue? Oh, wait, it's white too? All I need to do is make that fender blue, and then I literally have the best of both worlds. I got World Rally Blue here, and then you go on to the other side, and bam, matte military green, baby. This looks so ridiculous. Back in the garage, now it's time to take off the rest of the wrap, which I really don't want to do because just that half the car took forever. Damn. Okay, so it's been a few hours. much longer than I was expecting. I'm super tired right now. It's literally, let me see, 11 p.m. right now. It's 11 p.m. and I was supposed to get there at 8. Luckily, the dude is super chill and he said I could still come through and drop off the car and explain everything that I want to him. I'm super tired. We're gonna push the car out of the garage, get it started, get going, and hopefully the wrap comes out awesome. It's the next day now and I dropped off the car last night. I think that it's gonna be in good hands and I'm really excited to see how the wrap is gonna turn out. Now we are back to the RX-8 because I know I didn't get a chance to explain about this yesterday. Let's just get this thing started so we can warm it up. So here is the new car on the channel, a Mazda RX-8. Now I already know that I'm going to get reamed on in the comments for trying to copy TJ Hunt with the whole rotary thing, but I want to clear this out. This is not my car. This car will be on the channel a lot more, but this is not my car. It just so happens that one of my friends actually ended up buying this car and it's a rotary, and now I have a rotary and a BRZ on the same channel. Trust me guys, it's just a coincidence. I did not do this on purpose. But yeah, there's not really much to the car yet. It does have a catback exhaust, which sounds nice, but it's probably gonna get changed out in the near future. It is also on coilovers and it is pretty damn low. It's tucking the wheel, but the front bumper and the side isn't even close to touching the ground. If you guys are excited about seeing this car on the channel, definitely let me know down in the comments. I want to know your opinions. What do you guys think we should do to this car first? But that is going to conclude it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.